I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Planner 5D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, then here you're looking for here Planner 5D app, or just click here on search, then here add Planner 5D app, just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache, then you go down here, you go to your Play Store, just click here on Play Store here. So then all you have to do, you just when you here, you will find here update, just click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.